go to the Play Store and search for C Coding app. When you will see an application named Coding C, the offline C compiler. For this application, you need to select Install. It has 31 MB of size, so it will take some time to install into your mobile phone. After installation, you just need to open that app. Whenever you open, it will give you a program written these lines. This line includes line number 1 include stdio.h, line number 3 integer main, line number 4 and 7 indicates the brackets. Within that brackets, it will give you printf and return 0 statements. So after installing all these steps, what you need is just to write proper steps within these brackets and press run, which are in the right top corner besides menu. You just need to press run. It will first compile your program and display the result onto your screen. That's it. After that, what you need, we will see in the practical session. Till then, goodbye.